Good morning, class. As yesterday we have completed our chapter 7 haircut, the explanation of chapter 7 haircut, and I hope it is now clear to all of you. Now, today we are going to start writing the hard words and the word meanings of this chapter. The hard words are the typical words, that means the spelling of which are hard. We are going to write it in our notebooks, and the word meanings of some words which are being given in the book only. We are going to write today that in our notebooks. Now, before starting the hard words and the word meanings, let us go through a short summary of this chapter. As and when, as I have explained you, that it is a story about a boy named DNP, that is Durukanan Nangalan Paristhiti. His name was a bit tough and it was a tongue twister name. People used to marvel at his name. He was seen as a tramp. While some people were passing and they put some coins in his cap. Then DNP thought that he should get a new look on his face after trimming his beard. Then he went to a Sony hairstyle salon for a beard trimming. But when he went to a Sony hairstyle salon, that style salon was more heater than outside. That means that it is heating inside like an oven, as it is being told to us. Okay. Now, as when he sat there, he was feeling sleepy there also. He slept there. As and when he wake up from his sleep, he saw that his beard was totally shaved off and his hairs were cut off. He thought that he should not give money to the saloon as they have not done the work according to the instructions given by DNP. After seeing all this, and the assistant of that Sony hairstyle salon was asking money as he have shaved most of the hairs, that means a big number of hairs from the body. So he thought that he should take some more money, but DNP was not agreeing to pay the money for that. When DNP, after seeing his new haircut and a trim shaved beard, DNP, instead of stopping at the vegetable stall, he went to the bus stop for going outside. When young ladies said that you are a young man, so he was very happy seeing that. Now, as I have explained you the story, now let us write the hard words and the word meanings of this chapter. Now, let us start with the work in our notebooks. In your notebooks, first of all, what you all are going to do is, first of all, you all will fill the index first. Put the serial number 12, put today's date, classwork, chapter number, chapter name and chapter number, chapter 7 haircut, and put the page number. As I have started from 45, you have to write your own page number from which you are starting. 2, as because we have not finished it yet, you have to write 2 and leave that blank. Now, turn the page and then come to new page. In that new page, what you all are going to do is, first of all, put today's date, classwork, chapter 7 haircut, hard words. You have to write these headings first of all. First hard word for us is marveled. What is the first hard word? Marveled. Second one is tongue twister. Tongue twister. Third one is shortened. Shortened. Fourth one is addressed. Addressed. Fifth one is marvelous. Fifth one is marvelous. Sixth one is magnificent. Sixth one is magnificent. Seventh one is memorial gardens. Seventh one is memorial gardens. Eighth one is snowed. What is the eighth one? Eighth one is snowed. Ninth one is bemused. Ninth one is bemused. Tenth word is crumpled. Tenth word is crumpled. 11th one is renewant. 11th word is renewant. 12th one is screw-it. 12th one is screw-it. Third one is nodded. Third one is nodded. Sorry, 13th one is nodded. 14th one is reflection. 14th one is reflection. 15th one is yanked. 15th one is yanked. 16th one is yawned. 16th one is yawned. 17th word is stretched. 17th one is stretched. 18th one screamed. 18th one is screamed. 19th one is stroking. Stroking. 20th insisted. Insisted. 21st mumbled. 22 is grumbled. Grumbled. 23rd is cursed. Cursed. 24th impressive. 24th is impressive. 25th is tramp. 25th is tramp. 26th is scorching. 26th is scorching. Now let us repeat the words once again. Marveled, tongue twister, shortened, addressed, marvelous, magnificent, memorial gardens, snowed, bemused, crumpled, renewant, screw-it, nodded, reflection, yanked, yawned, stretched, screamed, stroking, insisted, mumbled, grumbled, cursed, impressive, tramp, scorching. Now what you all are going to do is divide the page into two equal halves and write the hard words like this, as I have written using blue pen. You have to write these hard words using blue pen. Now I hope the hard words is clear to all of you. Now let us move to the word meanings of this chapter. Word meaning. First word is bemused. As I have explained you the word bemused, confused and puzzled. What is the meaning of bemused, confused and puzzled? Second word is determined. Meaning of it is decided with one's mind made up. Second word is determined, decided with one's mind made up. Third one is grubby, covered with dirt. Third word is grubby, covered with dirt. Fourth one is insisted, held firm, refused to give in. Fourth word is insisted, held firm, refused to give in. Fifth word is marveled, showed surprise, admiration and wonder. Fifth word is marveled, showed surprise, admiration and wonder. Sixth word is outdone, surpassed or exceeded, better than performing an action. Sixth word is outdone, meaning is surpassed or exceeded, better than performing an action. Seventh word is preferred, choose to give priority to light. Choose to give priority to light. There are two O. That means double O. Choose to give priority to light. Renewant. To change someone or something so that it seems new. To change someone or something so that it seems new. That is the meaning of renewant. Salon. A shop or a place offering a product or service. A shop or a place offering a product or service. Saloon. A bar or a room where drinks are sold and consumed. What is this? It is a bar or a room where drinks are sold and consumed soundly, deeply or completely. Soundly, deeply or completely. Tramp. One who travels aimlessly on foot, a beggar. What is a tramp? It is a one who travels aimlessly, that has no aim, and travels on foot like a beggar. Weary, tired. Weary, tired. Yanked. Pulled quickly with a strong movement. Yanked. Pulled quickly with a strong movement. Now what you all are going to do is, you have to write these words meaning in your notebooks. Write the words using black pen and the meanings using blue pen. Now homework for you all is to learn the hard words of chapter 7 haircut thoroughly. Thank you.